Welcome everyone to our webinar on inquiry and the Dewey Decimal System. My name is Rachel Hill, and this is an introduction so you have an understanding of how overview of everything is. So, Dewey or Dewey not? An investigation of the Dewey Decimal Classification. So here's the plan. It's going to be in 3 parts. First is we're going to do a scavenger hunt through our library catalog online to notice what patterns you might see to see how our current nonfiction books are organized. Then the second part is we're going to analyze the Dewey decimal classification system itself. We're going to do it in a couple of ways. We're going to do it first in analyzing summaries of the Dewey decimal system and look for patterns and make inferences about what is important to Dewey. And then we are going to listen to a podcast and reflect upon how that informs our understanding, our inferences. And it is about giving you context for Dewey and the creation of this system of organization. And then finally, we can use all of that information to create a mission or vision statement about what guidance should we have when we're organizing our nonfiction? What should we keep in mind when we're doing this based off of what we've noticed about our current system, the way things are organized, and the Dewey decimal classification system as well. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email.